Psychology shows that intelligence is not always the main issue in poor thinking patterns. Sometimes people are actually capable, but their awareness level is low, meaning they don't fully perceive themselves, others, or situations clearly in real time. And this creates behaviors that quietly limit growth without them noticing. Here are 5 signs of low awareness thinking. 1. You don't notice how you affect others. Some people can't accurately read the impact of their words or behavior. They think they are being normal, while others feel discomfort, confusion, or distance. Psychology links this to low social self-monitoring, the ability to observe how you're being received in real time. If you never adjust your behavior based on reactions, you're not fully aware of your presence in social situations. 2. You miss obvious context in conversations. You often take things literally or out of context. Jokes feel confusing. Sarcasm goes over your head, or deeper meaning in conversations is missed. Psychology shows that awareness includes understanding subtext, what is implied, not just what is said. Without it, communication becomes shallow and often misunderstood. 3. You don't realize. When your mood is changing your thinking, your emotions quietly influence your decisions, but you don't notice it happening. When you're angry, everything feels negative. When you're stressed, everything feels urgent. Psychology shows that low emotional awareness leads to distorted thinking without awareness of the distortion itself. You think you're being logical, but your mood is driving the logic. 4. You repeat behaviors without noticing the pattern. You often find yourself in the same types of situations, same arguments, same outcomes, same misunderstandings. But instead of recognizing the pattern, each situation feels new. Psychology links this to weak pattern awareness, the inability to connect repeated experiences into insight. So life repeats, but understanding doesn't. 5. You rarely realize how you're being perceived. Most people have a rough idea of how others see them, but low awareness individuals often have a gap between self-image and reality. They believe they are coming across one way, while others experience something completely different. Psychology calls this a lack of meta-perception, understanding how others perceive you. And when this is missing, blind spots become constant. Psychology makes one thing clear. The issue isn't always intelligence. Sometimes it's awareness, not noticing impact, missing context, being unaware of emotional influence, repeating unseen patterns, and misjudging perception. These are not loud problems. They are silent ones. Because the mind doesn't improve just by thinking more. It improves by noticing more. Do you think you're fully aware of how you operate, or just partially seeing it?